start with the name of the God. So always a broker, they have three major problems once you start in this industry. First, accommodation. Second, food. Third, mobile. It's called like a postpaid number. So this is the major problem. The broker cannot succeed and he cannot work. So definitely, if you don't have money for the bed space, he always thinking for the bed space. So it means his mind working only for bed space. And if you don't have money for food, always he's thinking about the food. So he cannot work for searching a property and closing it in. And if you don't have calling number or postpaid number, how he can call to the owner, how he can call to the client. So that is main needs for each and every broker who start in this industry. So if you start this industry, first of all, you have minimum 3 month backup. 3 month backup you have. If you don't have backup for this one, then which company you're working, speak to them, sir, I want this backup. Can you please help me? And 90% company not supporting, but 10% people they are supporting. So just go with them and work with them. Okay, stay tuned for more video.